Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, October 31st. It's Halloween on the Pioneer Valley Homestead. We got some snow yesterday. Not a ton, but enough, and it's wet and messy. And it's currently 26 degrees out right now. So winter came a little bit early. We didn't get our stuff, like all of our summer stuff, put away. Our hoses are still outside, and I think our patio furniture is out there somewhere. So hopefully all this stuff melts and dries out so we can actually put it away. Well, I wanted to come and make a little video for you guys this morning because, as you know, we still have meat birds in the tractor, and it snowed, and it's been so wet. It's been raining a ton, and it was cold last night. So Aaron came outside and he put some hay down and did some things for him. So I just want to go check on them and make sure that they did all right. But I'm going to show you our big girls. They're all happy to be outside having some breakfast. Their waterer was full of ice this morning, so I had to shake all that out, and they're having some breakfast, so they're happy. But they won't be going over there later on. You can see where they have walked because there is bare ground, but they don't like the snow so much. Good morning, everyone. It's a little bit chilly, huh? I do. Everybody looks really good. I'm sure they're cold, but my goodness. They do look good. They look chilly. But yeah, take a look. Aaron laid down some hay for them last night just to kind of get them off of the wet ground, but gosh, everybody looks good. All right, yeah, I've got some fresh water for you guys. Sit tight a sec. So everybody they're chilly, but they look dry, and everybody looks happy, but gosh, they're getting big. Today's Saturday, so this coming Wednesday, they will be 8 weeks. So the time is getting close, and I can definitely tell that this batch has been growing at a slower rate than the other ones that we have done, and just due to the cold. Next year we won't be getting birds in early September for processing beginning in November. It's just, for up here in New England, it's too late. But I'm happy that he thought to put the hay down for them because they seem pretty good. I'm not gonna move them right now. I may move them as it warms up a little bit later, but you can see, look at the ground. It is just frosty and wet. It looks like, oh yeah, he took a snow shovel and tried to clear some of this out. You know what, I bet you before he moved the tractor, he wanted to get some of that snow off of the ground for these birds. But, oh, thank God they're good, because after all this work for something to happen, I would have been real. So, all right, the babies are doing okay. Oh, see, this rope is totally frozen. And I hope all this snow goes away before we have to process, because otherwise it's going to be pretty chilly. Well, that's all the update I have for you today. Until the next fun project. We'll see you guys next time.